Which AI retoucher should you use? Precision vs Rescue vs Vivid retoucher at NeuroViz. Let me show you. We have this ring. As you can see, it's relatively good photo, but low contrast, and well, it definitely needs to be retouched. Putty removed, white background, everything is polished. Let's start with Rescue. Retouch gemstones, yes, we have large gemstones. Medium quality is okay. 1 megapixel, usually good for most of the online placement and the least expensive. Let's run it. No prompt is needed, just generate. This is a result from Rescue. This retoucher is good for bad quality photo. This is actually not so bad, but if you have blurry photo, out of focus some of the parts, bad lead, it's really good for you. But the result is very nice here. Let's try Precision. So switching to Precision, it has slightly different controls. It has different resolutions. I'm going to select 1:1. Standard 1 megapixel is okay. Same resolution as the previous one. And that's it. Let's generate. After validation needed to stop you if you're doing something wrong before it will charge you credits. So if everything is fine, you just silently pass it to generation. You see it's generating. And this retoucher, Precision, is really good for good quality photo where you have to keep all the details. Meaning that if you need to have a heavy retouching, Precision may not be good because it's not going to retouch some heavy stuff. It's more about preservation. So this is the result. You see the gemstone is almost touched very little. You have inclusions in gemstone with Precision. Sometimes expensive gemstone like this, if it's a diamond, I believe it's diamond, we cannot remove inclusions, right? And our editor, Precision, even with Retouch Gemstones on, it will only slightly improve the quality, remove some dust, but it's not gonna change the quality of the stone, right? And the last one, Vivid. Same here, Auto SD, this is default, and no other parameters need to be selected. Let's run it. Creating very contrast photos. It tends to change colors slightly, so if you need, again, precise colors of the jewelry, you probably need to use Rescue or Precision. But Vivid is really good if you need something eye-catching. If this is not for correct representation, but for billboard or it needs to be really bright and very nice. Vivid is good. This is the result. As you can see, it's saturated. It's really nice. So this is the biggest difference. So this is our 3 generations. This is Rescue. You see, well, everything is fine here. Rescue is really good. This is Precision, less changes, and almost untouched gemstone. And Vivid, super contrast, super bright, and looks beautiful too. It's up to you which one to select. Make sure that select the right one. Go to neuroviz.ai and receive free credits once you sign up, and try yourself.